How to recover permanently disabled Facebook account. Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. If due to some reasons your Facebook has been disabled and you want to recover it back, then go to the internet browser. There search for disabled Facebook account recovery and tap on this first link. Scroll down and tap on get started. Now scroll down and tap on any of the options. Now, was this helpful? Tap on no, tap on other, and here you just have to describe your issue and write that you want to get back your disabled Facebook account and you want to recover it. Then after tap on submit and within 24 hours your disabled Facebook account will be recovered. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.